hotel boss. Singapore offers an ideal ever retreat with its prime location near Lavender Marti and key attractions like Bugis Street and Mustafa Center, making exploration effortless. Budget-friendly rates deliver excellent value for money, appealing to savvy travelers seeking affordability without sacrificing quality. The rooms are clean and comfortable, featuring modern and stylish designs that create a welcome ambiance. Kids appreciate the free Wi-Fi, which ensures seamless connectivity for work or leisure. Friendly and helpful staff provide top-notch service, from quick check-ins to personalized recommendations, enhancing the overall experience. Start your day with good breakfast options at the on-site cafe, offering a variety of fresh choices to fuel your adventures. Then our Spain show awaits at the rooftop pool and gym, perfect for unwinding after a busy day, while the rooftop garden and terrace provide scenic spots for evening drinks or quiet moments. Convenient public transport access for